Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grim Report. Well, as you see from the title, yes, this is about not the paranormal, but actual living creature. So, this is where we'll begin. This was published Tuesday, August 22nd. Updated 10:57 Tuesday, August 22nd. Same day it was updated at 10 p.m. See, this farmer, he woke up, his sow was pregnant, his pig, and she gave it a pillow that looks kind of like a chimp. Yeah, a monkey, a chimpanzee. As you can see, if you look at the picture, yes, that is actual picture that's, not been edited in any way. As from the website where I got it from. Of course, this farmer's going to be shocked that this little piglet looks like a chimp. This strange looking thing was born in San Juan Martins area of western Cuba. Cuba's Puerto del Rio. The brown piglet has a face and ears like a chimp, while the 9 pink siblings all look like normal piglets. And look like normal piglets. His owner was terrified. He called the vet to see if something was wrong with it. And you're gonna call the vet and say, yes, my sow had piglets, but one of them looks like a monkey. Yeah, I mean, wouldn't you? The people gathered around, they're all gonna flock around or whatever, gather around, and anybody sees something weird, they're gonna be like staring at it. That's why in a lot of the movies people are kinda dead on sight, if you want to say. The vet, of course, it's gonna take blood samples. See if it can tell how it developed, that monkey face. Farmer's wife's holding the piglet in one of the pictures, its front legs standing on its back legs. Accurately, it's like a chimp in appearance. Basically, it looks like a pig. It looks like a chimp. And his face completely, if you look at the picture, you can see that. But wow, when I first looked at this, I was like, you gotta be kidding me. This thing actually a living creature? As you can see, that's a shocker. It makes you wonder now how it got that way. If I can, I'll continue to see if there's any more information on it later. I want to look further into this. Hopefully I can find more information. But if not, then it'll end here. But to recap, a farmer woke up as completely normal sow. It's a female pig, you guys didn't know. Gave birth to piglets. One of them just so happened to look like a monkey. Strange and weird, but not paranormal. So, with that said, ladies and gentlemen, good luck, good night, God bless.